Today we're going to unbox the Magnergy adjustable weight bench. It's about to be full on summertime and I've been dying to lift some weights. I've slacked a little bit during the winter, but we're going to give this bench a try and see. I know for a fact its back support is 22% bigger than the ones you catch at the gym. So let's see what the contents are in this box. To add on weights, keep it sturdy, stable. Definitely need a warranty card. Magnergy, Magnergy. Check it out. All right. It's time to put this bad boy together. It comes with the hardware, pins, nuts, bolts, and tools to do it with. So we'll start with this right here. Obviously it's just standing on its own, just fresh out the box. This big piece is put together already. It's made out of triangular reinforced steel, which is good because I'm my weight, I'm quite heavy. Give this a little quicksy look, see what happens, see where we're at. That's it, that just goes in there, it has a ball on it. And for you to take it back out, it releases you. If you want to incline, for right now we'll do it at a 90-degree angle. Like the sturdiness on it. It also comes with rubber hubs. So if you have a hardwood floor or maybe a mat like this, it keeps you steady and you don't have to worry about sliding. We'll get it nice and snug.
Well, that didn't take too long. Looked like a pretty simple setup.
It is. It did not take long at all. I mean, this is really good, very convenient. Easy to tilt, easy to move. Of course.
Which can be used for all kinds of exercises. Sit-ups, fly curls, dumbbell, bicep curls. Like you said, the military shoulder press, overhead press. Because of the way it can be adjusted, there's a lot of versatility with this bench. And I think one of the best parts is that it does have a foldable design, so it can be placed under the bed if you have limited space. And there you have it. Easy, compact, foldable design. You could even take the leg press off if you wanted to get it to fold a little bit flatter.
This time I'm going to go a little further, and for space reasons I'm going to have to go ahead and take the leg press off. If you have limited space, it fits perfect where we're going to keep it at. Sorry about the sound, it's a little loud, but everybody's been at the gym at some point in their life. There's the knob.
It's nice and compact. Slides right against the wall, in a closet, under a bed, wherever the space you have to keep it out of the way when you're not using it.
Here you have it. Here it is, the Magnergy adjustable bench. It's perfect support for your back. Got the leg press, different positions, different inclinations.
Great tool to have for home workout.
For the ab work. For bench press, straight. Inclination for different interpectoral muscles, shoulders. 90-degree for a military press. Free weights, or if you own a bench or if you own a bar, then that's how you want to do it. Thanks for watching.